What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Reddit Stream right here on your Amazon Fire TV device. It's allowing you to enjoy all your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, live TV and much more. I am going to walk you through step by step everything which you need to know. Reddit Stream application is not available on Amazon App Store. If you want to learn about this app, just sit right here. I'm going to show you how to do all of it, so don't skip the video. Most of us are only familiar with the applications available right in the Amazon App Store. But this app is not like those. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video, so I can show you how you can install it on your device. First thing that we have to do is go to Amazon App Store and look for one app. That's going to take us exactly where we need to go to. The easiest way to get your Amazon App Store is simply click left until you are on magnifying glass. Click down in the search bar. Right here, click the center button. It will bring up a keyboard, then allow us to type out what we want. So I wanted to download an application called Downloader. I will go through on the screen as I spell it now. I only have to enter the very first letter D. You don't have to type out the whole word. It appears right on there on the list, and all you have to do is slide down and select Downloader. Click your center button and it will take you right to this orange app. Alright, let's go ahead and click on it. It will give us the option to install this on your device. Go ahead and click your center button and the downloading process begins. Give it a few seconds to finish installing, and when it's done, it will say open. That lets you know that everything is finished. But we don't have to open it now because we have to do some settings. So press home button, scroll right to go to settings, and you will see menu pop up on the bottom. So what we need to do is come down here and click on My Fire TV. Now right here you will notice I have About and Developer options. If for some reason that you don't have developer option on your device, so don't worry, I just want to do click right here where it says About, and you will see Fire TV Stick. That's just telling you which device this is. If yours says something different, don't worry, all you need to do is click About and press 7 times Fire TV Stick. When you have done, you will have a little pop-up that says you are now have a developer option. And then click the back button and you will see developer option available for you. So what we want to do is together click into developer option. Scroll down and click on Install Unknown Apps, and Downloader is currently off. We click our center button one time and turn it on just like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and click our home button, because now what I want to do is to take you back to the Downloader app. And get to all of your apps, you simply slide over and click on that key right here. And then it will bring up all the application on your device whenever you download an application. It always goes the very bottom, so let's go ahead and scroll to the bottom. As you can see, the very last app is Downloader. Let's open it. You will be welcomed with this, just click OK. And Downloader is an application that allows you to go on the internet to almost any website it is that you would like to visit. All you need to do is push up your remote and click the center button. Again, it's going to bring up a keyboard allowing you to type out whatever the address that we are looking for. Type here the URL link, type as firesticktricks.com/reddit. After typing URL link, click on Go button and it will connect to the server and downloading will be start, which will take some moments to download. And one more thing guys, I wanted to share with you that when you are using Firestick, you must have a VPN. And I highly recommend you NordVPN. If you're using a Firestick, you are probably enjoying all your favorite shows and movies. But here is a tip to make your streaming experience even better: to use NordVPN. Let me explain why. NordVPN is a tool that keeps your internet activity private and secure. It hides your data so you don't worry about anyone snooping on what you are watching. It also helps you to get around restrictions. If there is a show or movie that is not available in your area, NordVPN lets you connect to a server in another country. This way you can access more content that might not be available where you are. If you want to purchase NordVPN plan, link in the description. Okay guys, our downloading has been completed. Now you can see a page of installation. Click on install. Again wait for a moment to complete it. Now click on done button and delete the backup file, which are only used to download the APK file. You don't need it anymore. Deleting it will be free up space on your Firestick. You have all said come back to the home screen of Firestick. So click on home button. Go for app menu and scroll down and you will see Reddit app. Click on it. Here you will see a page privacy and policy. Press to continue. Then scroll down, click accept ad free and click on get started to continue. Here is a new update of app. Press update now. And you will get a newest version of Reddit Streamz. When the installation completed, delete the older one. Okay guys, now you can stream your favorite content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.